Hello, Glamorous fan. Hello, my people. Welcome back to your channel. Guys, in this video, I'll show you what I did for a client. Okay? About 3 years ago, I went in and painted the walls, installed tiles, removed the over toilet, and installed a new ones for her. So, about 2 weeks ago, she contacted me to make the bathroom a little pizzazz for the holiday season. So, if you guys want to see what I did, the step-by-step process, please keep on watching to see the final reveal. Okay? These are the wallpaper I will be using for the walls. They are very pretty, guys, very pretty. And for the tile backlash, she wanted me to install them over the shower, but at the end of the day, I did not use them because I didn't think they will look good. Too many patterns, okay? Here I am removing the old light fixture. Then after the wallpaper, I will add the new one.
You say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
I went out of wallpapers. Now I am back to the client house 3 days later, and she also got some other stuff, outlet covers and some wall decor. Okay, let's
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can
The reason why I am using some caulking around the tub area and around the sink area is because if you get water flashes on there, it might make the edge come up a little bit. So the caulking will prevent that from happening. Okay? Okay, my favorite part of the video, the curtain time.
Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving this? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire.
I have to remove this cord, the safety hazard, big one. I will remove it before I go home.
Know how to stop, but I've been feeling like
I can't and I will not end this video without saying thank you to all of my subscribers, to all of my people that takes time to send me birthday wishes. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of my returning subscribers, to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support I have been receiving from my subscribers, from my loyal subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video.